Happy Saturday. Good morning to our traders. The SPX 500 big bull rally in September. The last time that we ever seen a big rally in the month of September in the SPX or the SPY or any of it was back in the year 2013. They got the stimulus. They got the bull set up. They got an upside September. Usually the last time we had an up month in September was in calendar 2013. Buy now, pay later. You don't have a way to go. You don't have an investment. You don't have the capital. You don't have the credit, but you do have us. You do have our new program. And you do have a way to make yourself filthy rich with us on buy now, pay later. You don't have the money to go buy these positions. I've made it possible. I've got the network. I've got the market makers. I've got it all. It's waiting on you. It's waiting on you. We've had a big bull rally. The month of September, the worst month. Now, October, you could have a big bear rally month. You know, these markets have been funny. The bull is very strong. You can see a 2-day reversal. You can see the rallies. We sold out of our calls. Everybody knows it. We sold our SPY calls. We do have the program for you. Why are you waiting? What do you own? Ask yourself, what are you making? You have a chance to make, not lose. You've been losing. Now you have a chance to win. Wake up.